Okay guys, I'm going to attempt to install a shifter indicator light right here, right beside the shifter. You've got several letters here: park, reverse, neutral, drive, low. And I don't know what the low's for, unless you're like maybe pulling something heavy up a hill. I'm not sure, but it won't let you go very fast, and you shouldn't, because it revs the motor up. Anyways, so I got this little box of these little tiny LEDs, and these are the bright red ones. So let's try to install one of these. The first thing we do is we gotta remove this mat, this rubber mat from right here. Comes right out. It's real easy. You've got two Phillips head screws right here and right here. So there's two. I don't know if you can see those. Okay, we got that one. Let's get the other one. I love these. I got some magnetic screwdrivers at Harbor Freight. Man, they work great. They're just awesome for picking up screws and everything. Okay, so we got those undone. Now, from the way I understand it, you can pull up just like that. Look at that, came right out. Now it is connected with some wires. That gives you some illumination. And let me see here. Looks like there's a little piece right down here. This is where the screws came out. There's one of these on each side. And down here, let's see, right there, this is where the bulb is. Right there. Boy, it's real dirty in here. I'm gonna need to clean that out. That's years of food crumbs, I imagine. So let's go ahead and disconnect that bulb and look at it again. You just twist it to the left, and it should pop right out. Let's see here. There it is. And it looks burnt. So let's put a new bulb in there. And you see that? It just twisted to get out. It's real easy. Now that I have this bulb out right here, I'm gonna see how easy it is to, it just pops right out. That was easy. Now I'm gonna get one of these. I'm wearing gloves now because I'm gonna be handling this. Let's see, let's just put that in there. Yeah, it works. Can you see that? There we go. Now I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna put the lights on. Okay, so now all we need to do, turn this back like this. Okay, let's get that straightened out here. There we go, just like that. Look at that. That's easy. Now I'm going to reinstall these little screws. There's one on each side that was under the rubber mat, under the cigarette lighter and the or 12-volt switch. Not a cigarette lighter thing anymore. And your USB. Got another one here. So there's just two screws, and then you can pop the top right up. There we go. Now again, don't over tighten these. They just need to be snug. They don't need to be torqued, but they do not need to be stripped. Okay, I'm gonna put this back, this little rubber thing. Let's see how that goes. Here we go. All right, folks, that's it. So we will check this out at night and test it and make sure everything's good. Seems to work perfect, but we'll check it out at night when it's dark, and I'll make sure the dome light's off as well. Okay guys, this is it at night. I'm sorry I'm under a street light, but that's the best I could do with the shift indicator. So let's check this out. Boom, there it is, check it out. Looks pretty good. The P and the N are brighter or more red than the RDL. The RDL, or more of a light red, or not a pink, but you know, there it is. It's pretty cool. It did a good job, those red LEDs, and they match the others that are in the, I think they're just black edition. I'm not sure what the others have, because I haven't driven one at night, just during the day. But yeah, so there you go. Looks good. All lit up. That's nice. Now you can also get these in blue or white or whatever. It's just your preference. I picked red to match everything else, but they look pretty good. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of me installing the little LED bulbs on the shift indicator. I don't know what you call it, the replacing the shift indicator light under your shifter here, so you can see all the letters to see what gear you're in. Easy install. Just watch my videos. Couple of screws. Be careful popping that part of your console up. You know, be careful replacing the bulb. I did wear some rubber gloves. It's easy as that. Hope you enjoyed this video. I've got more Ridgeline videos out there on my channel. If you would, please subscribe. Please hit the thumbs up and comment. Let me know what you think about this install, about what you did, or, you know, if you just left it alone. Just please comment, and I will see you next time. More videos coming on this Ridgeline, so stay tuned. I will see you then. See ya.